Unit 3. Riding on an airplane. Riding airplanes is always fun. Thus, the thought of flying high in the sky is exciting. The flight attendants are very nice and they try to make your trips as comfortable as possible. If you are on a long distance flight, you even get to watch a movie. Some airlines even have a personal screen for each seat, so passengers can conveniently watch a movie or TV program of their choice. The food may not be that delicious, but most flights offer a variety of menus to choose from. Airlines Airplanes were not always as safe as they are today. In fact, the earliest airplanes were quite primitive. They weren't even that fast. Nowadays, however, airplanes have jet engines that allow them to travel as fast as 900 kilometers an hour. They also have a lot of life-saving equipment and are well prepared for emergencies. Today, many people consider airplanes the safest mode of travel. Although there were many scary news reports of airplane crashes, fewer people were hurt because of airplane accidents than because of car accidents.